Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about that is GK one liner questions of part 8. So let us see what we have. Here you can see the total number of zones of Indian Railways. As you can see to the right side of this picture, at present we have the total number of railway zones, that those are near about 17. So please go through whatever the railway zones we have. At least you should remember that what exactly the railway zones of south, north and central, everything you have to remember. The place where you have the two railway zones, that is in Mumbai. If you want all these railway zones, you can directly go to my playlist where you will find in a general knowledge section all railway zones with the pictures have been given. Let us discuss with the second one. So the approximate length of all routes of Indian Railways, that is near about 70,000, that is 69,182 kilometers is exist the total length of the Indian Railways. The distance between two rails of the broad gauge railway track, we knew that whatever the train we are having at present, that is broad gauge. There is a meter gauge which has got the distance between the two tracks as meter, and narrow gauge was present, that is near about 0.67 something. They were very less places it has been placed. As you can see in the hill stations you will find those kind of narrow gauge, but in the meter gauge previously we used to have in my place, that is in Kadri, but now it has been changed. Now it has got the broad gauge which is of length, that is 1.676 meters of length. Next we have the electric locomotives are manufactured in India at Chittaranjan. Please remember this guy. Whatever the locomotives, that engines and bogies are manufactured in Chittaranjan. Now you tell me where the Chittaranjan is located. The chairman of railway board. Now you text it who is the chairman of railway board at present, that, as well as next we have the present chief of staff of Indian Army. We knew that after retiring General Bipin Rawat, General Mukund Manoj Naravane, he had taken over as the army general, that is army chief, General Mukund Manoj Naravane. Now we have for the Navy Admiral Karambir Singh. Text me who is present for the Air Force Chief, present Air Force Chief. Magsaysay Award for Community Service of 2019 was given to, that was given to Ravish Kumar. Please go through this. Roman Magsaysay Award for the Community Service of 2019 was given to the Ravish Kumar. He is one of the journalists. The security paper mill located in India at Hoshangabad, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Please remember guys, whatever the security paper mill that is located in India at Hoshangabad, that is located in Madhya Pradesh. The author of the Sanskrit epic Meghadutam. Meghadutam was written by Kalidasa. He is the author of the Sanskrit epic. Now we have the Chief Minister of Karnataka. As you can see, Bukanakre, that is B.S. Yedurappa. As you can see, B. Siddhalingappa Yedurappa is the Chief Minister of Karnataka. As we have the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, that is Andhra Pradesh Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, son of Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy. I request you guys to check playlist, as you can join in Defense ICT Telegram, and you can have the WhatsApp. You can directly call me on this mobile number if you have any queries. I can share it to your friends. There are 800 plus question papers for various examinations. Now we have various lists have been segregated for the each and every examination. Have a look in my playlist. We always see the same phase of the moon, that is the speed of rotation of the moon around the earth is the same as the speed of the rotation of the earth around it himself. So please remember, because whatever the speed with which it is rotating, with the same speed it is rotating around our earth. That is the reason we see the same phase of the moon. In blood transfusion, blood of donor and receiver must compatible not only in blood group but also in RH factor. Now you text me what exactly RH stands for? This is also one question, guys. Let me tell you, you don't know. I'm damn sure very few people knew about that. Go through internet and text me. This is one thing. So in blood transfusion, blood of donor and receiver must be compatible not only in blood group but also RH factor. That is one thing. In a cricket ground, a bowling crease is, as you can see, whatever the crease exists, that distance has been asked. That is near about 8 feet and 8 inches in length. That is whatever has been given. So you can directly go through how it has been calculated. Here we have a sudden fall in the barometer reading is a sign of, that is, storm. We knew that whenever there is a sudden fall of barometer reading, that is a storm. That is one thing you have to remember. Next we have the custodian of country's foreign exchange reserves. That is, finance ministry is the main custodian of country's foreign exchange reserves. Rourkela steel plant was established in collaboration with, that is, Germany. So we knew that there are various steel plants which were set up with the help of other nations. So as usual, Rourkela steel plant was established in collaboration with Germany. Now you tell me, we had collaborated with which nation the Bhilai steel plant had been collaborated? I already discussed, guys. Whoever had watched my previous videos, they can comment me in this section. Now we have the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth. That is, an auto means he had written himself. That is, autobiography of the Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth, was originally written in English. So that is one thing you have to remember. The Halley's Comet will be visible again in the year, that is, you tell me in which year that will be visible. The Wimbledon Championship is played in United Kingdom. So we knew that there is a Wimbledon as well as there are various tennis cups. In this cups, the grass court, that is United Kingdom's one, Wimbledon Championship will be played every time. That is in UK. The main champion of this Wimbledon, that is Roger Federer, was the main champion in this UK's Wimbledon trophies. Next we have the person is known as the Tiger of the Snows, Tenzing Norgay. Please remember, he is known as Tenzing Norgay as Tiger of the Snows. What exactly he had achieved, Tenzing Norgay? You find out how many times he had scaled Mount Everest and you tell me exactly what it is given. The oldest Indian university is Calcutta University. That is the oldest Indian university. Even the oldest museum also exists in Calcutta itself. Peshwa dynasty was founded by, we knew that after Maratha dynasty, there was a Peshwa dynasty. Even I had told regarding Peshwa dynasty in playlist, you have a look. So that is Balaji Vishwanath was formed. The endocrine system is the system about ductless gland. So this endocrine, we knew that what is the largest endocrine gland in our human body? That is thyroid gland. So here this endocrine system is about what? Ductless gland. As you can see, the sexual reproduction in plants and animals involves what? It involves gametes. So what are the sexual reproduction in plants and animals involves what? Gametes. You can see to the right how exactly the gamete formation in plants have taken place. Now we have the heaviest metal among all is what? Osmium, which is the heaviest metal in our, as you can see in a periodic table, this osmium is the heaviest one. This is used in which place? In the ink pen. We have the nib over that small plate, that is the osmium which is made, that is very heaviest. That is the reason whenever you lift the ink pen, it is of greater weight, because of that reason only. If the gas is heated in constant pressure, its kidney will automatically what? Here, if the gas is the heated in constant pressure, the density will automatically decreases. We knew that whenever there is an increase in the constant pressure, pressure is equal to, we have mass into volume. So then density and volume are, we knew that density is equal to mass by volume. So there is a proportionality, different inversely proportionality. That is the reason with the increasing constant pressure, we have the density automatically gets decreased. Khyber Pass is located in which place? It is located in China. As we can see, a nautical mile is the unit of distance in sea as well as air navigation. The nautical mile is used. Even the speed of the ship is measured in which? That is measured in knots. The author of the Mother, that is, as you can see to the right side, the Mother book was written by Maxim Gorky, had written the book Mother. Next we have the lowest layer of the atmosphere is known as troposphere. We have here one thing which we have to remember is the lowest layer of the atmosphere is as troposphere, then stratosphere. Above that we have iono and exo and meso. So India's most imported cash crop, that is cotton. Bombay was renamed as Mumbai by the Maharashtra government in the year 1995. It has been called as Mumbai. Ramanujan's name is associated with the theory of numbers. Ramanujan was very famous and he died at the young age itself. He was very famous. He was associated with the theory of numbers. As you can see how exactly 1729 is the one which is his number. How exactly 1 cube plus 12 cube is equal to 9 cube plus 10 cube is the answer for this. The Parliament of Afghanistan is known as, we knew that Parliament of Afghanistan will be called as Shura. In the case of Russian, that is Duma. We have in India, that is Sansad Bhavan. We have next, of the following radiations, all the dangerous except short radio waves are not dangerous, but X-ray, ultraviolet rays as well as cosmic ray, these are all dangerous. These are which are to be recognized. Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon at which place? He had given his first speech, first sermon at Sarnath. Denim and Lee Cooper both are what? They are concerning to the jeans pant. Denim and Lee Cooper. The maiden winner of Jnanpith Award for the year, that is, as you can see in 1965, it started giving the Jnanpith Award which is concerning to the literature, which was received by Shankar Kurup. At present, who had received this? This has received by the Malayali Akitam Achutan Nambudri. So he is the guy at present who had received the Jnanpith Award. As you can see how exactly the Shankaran Kurup looks like. Even there is a stamp. If the length of a pendulum is increased by 4 times, then its period of oscillation will be twice. Obviously, the moment the length of the string increases, the period of oscillation also increases. But it increases by what? Half. So, 4 times the length has been increased. The period of oscillation is also increased by twice. So here that we have to remember, duodenum is situated at the uppermost part of the small intestine. So here we are aware that small intestine is the one where we'll find which is helpful in the digestion of the food, and there is a uppermost part of the small intestine, that is duodenum, which will be in a U shape. The end portion of the stomach is duodenum. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily one of yajna and worship of nature. This is one thing you have to remember. So early Vedic Aryans was primarily one of yajna and worship of nature. This is to be remembered. The Prime Minister is the chairman of the Planning Commission. We knew that the Planning Commission, Niti Aayog. Now, what exactly the abbreviation of Niti? Transforming India. This is the Institute of Transforming India. So here the Planning Commission chairman is Prime Minister. The largest irrigation canal in the world is Indira Gandhi Canal, is the largest irrigation canal in the world. As you can see how exactly to the right side it has been. It is 649 kilometers long and consists of Rajasthan Feeder Canal and Rajasthan main canal and runs through 167 kilometers in Punjab and Haryana and remaining 492 kilometers in Rajasthan. This is the largest irrigation canal you will find in the world, that is Indira Gandhi Canal. The least amount of protein is present in which crop? In the crop of wheat. It's the least amount of protein is present. The main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. This is the main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley civilization, that is agriculture. The grand old man of India, that is, we knew that Dadabhai Naoroji is known as the grand old man of India. So as you can see, India's struggle for freedom, that is this Dadabhai Naoroji is the grand old man of India. You can call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF. I hope whatever I am doing my best. Please don't skip all these questions. They are very important, guys. That will be very useful and which is very important for all competitive examinations. You should know what exactly the competitions we have. This is one thing I just want to tell you. SSC CGL, CPO, CHSL, MTS, the multitasking staff. So CGL is on the base of CGL as well as CPO is on the base of graduation, and CHSL we have with the 12th standard, MTS with the 10th standard, CDS and MNS, this is graduation level, MNS for the women. So these are all various examinations, you have to try for them. Thank you guys. I hope I am doing my best. I hope you are also doing best. If you have any queries, you can directly call me. Feel free to call. Have a good day. Have a great life.